Oh, very good morning, my dear children. Now we are going to a new chapter, Grammar Lesson 1, Male or Female. In this, what you can see, children, we can see a nice shop here. What is the shop called here? At a garment shop. Now, why do we go there to the garment shop? Can you tell me why do we go? We go to buy new clothes, ready-made clothes. Yes or no, children? Now, a new festival is coming. Can you tell me which festival is coming, children? Yes, Diwali. You all are very excited. Yes, you'll tell your mama, you'll tell your father, please come, we want to go and buy new dresses. Yes, definitely your parents will take you. So now there's a small story, children, about Ajay and his family. Now, what do you mean by at a garment shop? Garment shop where you go to buy ready-made clothes. So that is called, you go to the shop, children. So that is at a garment shop. Let's start with the story, children. Today I'm going to tell you an interesting story about Ajay and his family. One day, Ajay and his little sister goes out for Diwali shopping with their parents at a garment shop. So you see, children, Ajay and his full family go out for shopping with their parents at a garment shop. Now, let us see what happens in the next one, children. Yes, they have already entered the shop, children. So you can see Ajay is here, Ajay's father, Ajay's mother, Ajay's little sister. Now, can you see they're all separately standing, choosing their own choice dresses to wear. So, in this picture, we can see how excited they are to buy new clothes. And can you see the full family are checking? And once they have chosen their favorite dresses, so you see, once they have chosen their favorite dresses, let us see to which room they go to. In this, children, yes, we can see they go to different room for trial and check the dresses fit them properly or not. They go to the trial room and find there is a long queue. What is more important, where his sister was standing were all females, and where Ajay was standing with his father and only male people. So now, yes, children, you can see what is written on the top here, children? Trial rooms. So now here, what is on top there written there? Where Ajay's sister standing? Ladies. And where Ajay's father standing? What is written on the top there? Gents. So here we can see here. Where Ajay's sister is standing here, we call them as female. Ajay and his father is standing in the long queue, we call them as male people. So here we can see, as we already seen, so what is the importance there? Where his sister was standing, they were only females. And where Ajay was standing, and only male people standing there. Let's go to the next one. In this room, as they entered, we can see they had two rooms. One, gents written on the top, and the other, ladies written on the top. So Ajay was curious to know why it was such. So what is the importance of all this? Why were they standing in different lines? So let us see, children. There were two trial rooms, one with ladies written on the top and the other gents written on the top. Ajay was curious to know why it was such. What was the importance of all this? Why were they standing in different lines? Let us see the next one, children. Now we are going to nouns, gender. We are going to the next slide. Human beings and animals are either male or female. We're going to gender. Masculine gender and feminine gender. For masculine, we call them as male, and for feminine gender, we call them as female. So they are of two genders in which animals and human beings are divided. If they are males, they are referred to masculine gender, and females are referred to feminine gender. So from the story, we can find out the difference between male and female. Masculine and feminine gender. Gender of a noun tells us whether a person or an animal is male or female. Masculine and feminine gender. Gender of a noun tells us whether a person or an animal is male or female. Now, can you see this boy standing here? So, the boy, Ajay is standing. Yes, Ajay. So, Ajay is male. And the girl, Ajay's sister, is female. So remember, masculine and feminine gender. So for all boys, we call them as masculine gender, and for girls, we call as feminine gender. That is male or female. Next one. Now can you see masculine gender and feminine gender? Grandfather, grandmother, king, queen, prince, princess, man, woman. Again, once more, repeat after me. Grandfather, grandmother, king, queen, prince, princess, man, woman. The next one. Now, as we have already seen Ajay's line, the full line, they were standing in a long queue. Yes? So they were all male people were standing there. So that is brother, uncle, grandfather, father. Besides that, men, boys, and male animals are of the masculine gender. So remember that, children. Brother, uncle, grandfather, father, men, boys, and male animals are of the masculine gender. So remember at home, children, your brother, your father, uncle, grandfather all belong to the masculine gender or male. See, sister, Ajay's sister, aunt, grandmother, and mother. So they all belong to the feminine gender. So they are all called female. Women, girls, and female animals are of the feminine gender. So remember, children, Ajay's sister, where Ajay's sister was standing, at only female people there. So remember, so now you know the difference between male and female. Yes. To the next one, male, female. That is fox, vixen, gander, goose, drake, duck, rooster, hen. So male, masculine gender, female, feminine gender. So boys and girls already we have seen. Now for animals, male and female, they also have masculine gender and feminine gender. Again, once more, fox, vixen, gander, goose, drake, duck, rooster, hen. Next one, children, we're going to learn again masculine gender, feminine gender. Peacock, peahen, horse, mare, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. Again, repeat after me. Peacock, peahen, horse, mare, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. Peacock, masculine gender. Then peahen, feminine gender. Horse, masculine gender. Female, feminine gender, mare. So remember, children, masculine is for male and feminine is for female. Once more, masculine gender, feminine gender. Peacock, peahen, horse, mare, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. To male, female. So we have already seen, children, so that is easy for you to do, for you to identify. Masculine gender, feminine gender. Masculine is for male, feminine gender is for female. Horse, mare, tiger, tigress, leopard, leopardess, tomcat, cat, gander, goose, drake, duck. Again, repeat after me. Horse, mare, tiger, tigress, leopard, leopardess, tomcat, cat, gander, goose, drake, again, male and female. Masculine gender is for male, feminine gender is for female. Son, daughter, brother, sister, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt, sir, madam, actor, actress. So remember, children, all the males where they were standing, all the male people. Yes, this is all the boys in Ajay's line, everyone was standing there. So they are called male people. And where Ajay's sister was standing here, had only female people. So the same way, male and female. So remember that again, children. Son, daughter, brother, sister, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt, sir, madam, actor, actress. Males for these females and fill in the blanks. Feminine gender, masculine gender. So remember, children, we have already seen Ajay's line. They had only males there, and sister's line had only females there. So you must identify. So feminine gender. Now we have to find the masculine gender. Madam, sir, niece, nephew, witch, wizard, vixen, fox, bee, drone, cow, bull. Again once more, feminine gender and masculine gender. So we have to find the males for feminine gender. Madam, sir, niece, nephew, witch, wizard, vixen, fox, bee, drone, cow, bull. Chapter, Semester 2 book, Poem, Lesson 1, Animal Parade. We are going to a new chapter, Animal Parade. In this picture, what you can see, children, we can see so many elephants. They are marching one by one. And this elephant comes out, and this elephant runs out to have some fun. Now the elephants are saying, when you're all having fun outside, why can't we also have the same way? So they also want to follow as we do. Elephants marching one by one runs to have some fun. The others go marching, marching away. The other go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Again once more. Children, as I'm reading, please put your finger after each and every word that I read. Elephants marching one by one runs to have some fun. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. In the next one, can you see now which animal you can see here? Tigers. So what tigers are doing? They are marching in twos and twos. And one runs to clean his shoes. So you can see here, tigers marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Again once more, children, please look into your books. Tigers marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. The next one, monkeys. So monkeys are marching 3 by 3. So one runs to climb a tree. Can you see the monkey climbing a tree there, children? Yes, the monkey is very excited and runs. He says, when you are playing, why can't I play also? So the monkey runs to climb a tree. Monkeys marching 3 by 3. One runs to climb a tree. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Now as I'm reading, children, please put your finger. Monkeys marching three by three. One runs to climb a tree. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. This picture we can see the three little animals. What are they doing there? They are laughing and playing. They laugh and play. While the other animals, what we can see there? The other animals are marching away. The three little animals laugh and play, while the others go marching away. While the others go marching away. While the others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Now children, as I'm reading, I've already shown you the slides with the explanation. So just open your books, children, and then put your finger after each and every word that I read. Animal parade. Elephants marching one by one. One runs to have some fun. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Others marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. Others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Others marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Children, I already taught you the poem. Now we'll do in the form of a song. Animal parade. Elephants marching one by one. One runs to have some fun. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Tigers marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Children, as I'm singing, please put your finger. Monkeys marching three by three. One runs to climb a tree. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. The others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. The three little animals laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. The three little animals laugh and play, while the others go marching away. While the others go marching away. Hooray, 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 hooray. Now, did you like the song, children? Yes. Now, let's go to the next one. Poem, Lesson 1, Animal Parade. Dictation words. So, children, you have to learn these dictation words. Repeat after me. Elephants, hooray, monkeys, while, marching, tigers, away, laugh, clean, shoes. And say the spellings after me. ELEPHANTS, elephants. ELEPHANTS, elephants. Hooray, HURRAH, hooray. Keys, monkeys. While, While, while. Marching, Marching, marching. Tigers, Tigers, tigers. Away, away. Laugh, Laugh, laugh. Clean, Clean, clean. Shoes, Shoes, shoes. So now repeat after me again once more, children. Elephants, hooray. Monkeys, while. Marching, tigers, away. Laugh, clean, shoes. Now let's go with the question and answers. Question and answers. Now, children, you must be able to understand because I've already shown you in previous slides about the elephants, about tigers, monkeys, what they were doing. So, which animal runs to have some fun? We have already seen which animal runs to have some fun? Elephant. Elephant runs to have some fun. Which animal runs to clean his shoes? We have already seen which animal. Can you tell me? Yes, tiger runs to clean his shoes. Next one. Which animals are marching 3 by 3? We have already seen 3 animals. They're marching 3 by 3. Can you tell me? Yes, monkeys are marching 3 by 3. Now repeat after me. Which animal runs to have some fun? Elephant runs to have some fun. Which animal runs to clean his shoes? Tiger runs to clean his shoes. Which animals are marching 3 by 3? Monkeys are marching 3 by 3. Continued. Which animal runs to climb a tree? Can you tell me which animal runs to climb a tree? Yes, monkey. And the next one, which animals are marching one by one? We have already seen in the first slide. Yes, elephants. So now repeat after me. Which animal runs to climb a tree? Monkey runs to climb a tree. Which animals are marching one by one? Elephants are marching one by one. Now children, question and answers are not given in the book, but teacher has made own question and answers. So you can write it what is given there. In your PDF it will be sent, so you can write in your PDF. A. Comprehension. Complete the following sentences. All the animals are... What were the animals doing there, children? All the animals, they were marching away. So one elephant runs to... We have seen one elephant runs to have some fun. And tiger, what the tiger wants to do? The tiger wants to clean his shoes. And one monkey loves to... We have already seen monkey loves to climb a tree. And the 3 little animals, what they were doing there? The 3 little animals laugh and play. Comprehension. Complete the following sentences. All the animals are marching away. One elephant runs to have some fun. One tiger wants to clean his shoes. One monkey loves to climb a tree. The 3 little animals laugh and play. The 3 little animals laugh and play. In the next one, B. Vocabulary. B1. Match the animals in column A with the sounds they make in column B. Number 1 is done for you. A dog. What does a dog do, children? A dog barks. A cat. The sound of the cat, children? Mews. A bird makes sound. Chirp. A horse. Nice. A monkey chatters. An elephant trumpets. Already we have seen. We know the sounds of the animals. The dog. What does a dog do? Barks. A cat. Mews. Cat makes meow meow. Dog. Bow bow bow. A bird. Chirps. A horse. Nice. A monkey chatters, an elephant trumpets. Again, once more. A dog barks, a cat mews, a bird chirps, a horse nice. A dog barks, a cat mews, a bird chirps, a horse nice, a monkey chatters, an elephant trumpets. In the next one, now we have to match. B2, match the animal parents in column A with their babies in column B. Number 1 is done for you. Now we have to learn the parents and their babies. The cat, the young one of a cat, kitten. Hen, the young one of a hen is called chick. Cow, calf. Dog, puppy. Pig, piglet. Lion, cub. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. So now we have already seen their parents with their babies. Cat, kitten, hen, chick, cow, calf, dog, puppy, pig, piglet, lion, cub, sheep, lamb, goat, kid. Listening and speaking sounds of English. Say the following words after your teacher. Words: play, cake, name, table, tell, tail, men, money, wet, wait, get, gate. Children, the lesson is over. So there's homework for you. Learn and write 5 lines of the poem and write in your rough copy. And remember, children, grammar portion that I taught you about male and female. And remember about Ajay's family, how they had been to the garment shop. So remember male and female, feminine gender and masculine gender. So till then, children, thank you and bye-bye.